let's add a new note, la, to our tone set. Come on, let's get ready for lesson 4. Welcome to lesson 4. We have learned so much in just these 3 lessons so far. Lesson 1 talked about our so me tone set. Lesson 2, we worked on reading the notation on a staff. Lesson 3 learned our rhythm of quarter note, eighth notes, and a quarter rest. And today in lesson 4, we are going to add la to our tone set. Here's our tone ladder. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Our tone set this far has been working on so and me. We did some ear training in lesson 1 where you sang back a pattern that you could hear. You would sing so, so, me. We also looked at some cards to sight sing the patterns. So, so, me. And we also learned that so and me can be space notes. So and me can be line notes. And this melodic pattern, any way that you would put it, maybe you could start on me, so. It's just a very common interval. And this is why we start with these 2 notes when we're learning how to sight sing and to train our ears to pick out those tones when we're hearing them in a musical pattern with our ear training. So today I would like to add a new note. We're going to add la. And if you look at the ladder, there we go. You can see where la is. La is higher on the staff. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So this la we're adding in because we can actually decode many songs using so, me, and la. For example, there are songs like rain, rain, go away, come again another day. And other songs that are using just those 3 notes. So this is the beginning tone set that I want all of my students, even if they're a younger student, 6 or 7 years old, or like you, an older student, learning from the beginning, to make sure that you have a very good sense of these 3 notes, so, me, and la. So let's talk about how so, me, and la look on a staff. I'm going to find my card. Here's an example of me, because you notice the S is for so. So this note right here is so. We have a so here, a so here. This is lower than so, so remember that's me. So in this example, we're going to start on me, then we'll sing so. Look at this note. If me and so are line notes, this note right here, that's a space note, this is going to be la. And it's going to sound higher. I'm going to sing this pattern. Mi, so, la, so. Will you sing it back? Ready, go. Mi, so, la, so. The goal for you after this lesson is to go through and use the resources in your book and in the flashcards to be able to correctly sing the pitches of me, so, and la. Here's the next one. I'm going to let you try first by yourself. I'll give you so. Would you try singing this on your own? Hopefully the so and the me was easy for you. So, me. Going higher with your voice, with your pitch. So, la, so, me. You try singing it. So, la, so, me. This is a great time for you to pause the video and look at your book. look at lesson 5 and just take a moment, go ahead and pause the video and take a moment and see if you can sing each of these examples. And after you've done that, come back and we're going to sing them together. We're going to practice with our hand signs, okay? Great, welcome back. Now, if you notice in example 1, we have just our so and me. Let's sing this one. So, me, so. In example 2, we're going to go higher on la. Now, when we do la, so, me, so, our hand goes higher and it kind of curves like this. La. So number 2, if you'll look, so, la, so. You try it with your hands. Let's do it together. So, la, so. Let's do number 3. Mi, so, la. Number 4. So, la, so, mi. Number 5. Now, notice so is now a space note. So, mi, la. We're going to start on la, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. La, so, mi. Number 7. So, la, mi. This was one of the favorites of my students. Listen again. So, la, mi. Does that sound like a food? Do you like to eat salami? Whenever my students would sing this one, this pattern, we'd have a good laugh because it does. It sounds like salami. So, la, mi. And the last one, very easy. You can do this on your own. Ready, go. So, mi. All right, so I am very proud of you. You have learned a tone set using so, mi, and la. You have learned rhythms. We have our rhythms ti, ti, ta. We also have, let's find one with a rest. We remembered that a rest gets a beat, but it gets a beat of silence. Ta, ta, ta. Always make sure that you count a beat of silence for the rest. And we've learned the staff notation for so, mi, and la. We have gone over all of the concepts in Unit 1 that I want students to know. Now, the very last project for students, kind of your assessment before you go into Unit 2, which is where we will add some extra notes to our tone set, is to see if you can decode music. If you can actually use what you've learned to sight sing. So look at this example in your book. We have a song called Bounce High, Bounce Low. This is a really fun playground song that children would sing. Now, you might be too old to want to bounce this ball while you're singing the song, and that's fine. But I think this is a great way for you to practice what you've learned. The first thing that students do when they decode a folk song is they clap the rhythm. So if you notice, this is a quarter note. This is ta. Here we have some eighth notes. We say ti. If I give you a count off, 1, 2, ready, go, I want you to say the tas and the titis of the rhythm of the song. Let's try it together. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. I want you to grab a piece of paper. It could be any scrap paper. I just grabbed some that I had laying around. And I want you to take a marker or a pencil, and we're going to copy that rhythm of bounce high, bounce low. We have ta, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Now the next decoding that you're going to do is look at the song. Here it is. Look at the song and identify what is the first note. Now I'm going to give you a clue here. Bounce and low are both line notes. So if we have two line notes, we can assume that they will be so, mi. Because this is going to be a song that I'm purposely choosing that it has so, mi, and la. If this is so, because it's higher than here, when we get to the word high, that is la. So, la, so, mi. I want you to find your paper and write an S underneath the first one. Write an L underneath the next. S and M. So, la, so, mi. Now let's look at the second line of the song. I'll let you try first. Can you tell what those intervals are? So, so, la, la, so, so, mi. So you write the so's, the la's, and the mi's. Here we are. Now, the last step to decoding a song, once you've identified the so, the la, the mi, and you've identified the rhythm always comes first. Now you can sing the words of the song. Let's practice one time singing the whole song with our solfa using our hand signs. 1, 2, ready, go. So, la, so, mi. So, so, la, la, so, so, mi. And the words of the song, bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to run, you know. I am so proud of you for finishing Unit 1. Now, I will have a bonus lesson for Unit 1 where we will do this same activity with Rain, Rain, Go Away. So I will have that ready for you for the next lesson. What I'd like you to do is go through your book, practice everything that you've learned, make sure that you have accurate pitch in your singing. And for fun, I would love to have you send me a video of your performing any of the songs that we've done so far, any of the flashcards, or maybe you'd like to write your own song using the rhythms that we've learned and adding your own solfa pitches. And in fact, let's do that one time. This is going to be a kind of a short lesson because we're going over everything that we've learned and just adding one new concept with the la. So our rhythms, we've learned ta, ti, and rest. I'd like you to come up with a 16 beat rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Notice I made a chart with 16 beats. On each beat bar, you can either write a ta, a ti, or a rest. Here's mine. Can you clap that? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta, 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 ta. There's our sound, there's our rhythm. Now, I just added our solfa. So, la, so, so, mi. I made that up. I'm gonna make up some more. All right, here's my whole song. You can make your own song using these same concepts: beat, rhythm, solfa. So, la, so, so, mi. so me, so me, la, so me. So this is composing. I would love to have you share something that you've written, something that you've composed, and share it in the Facebook group that's linked below. And come back for a bonus lesson as we decode Rain, Rain, Go Away. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to finish up this unit with you.